Alright, I know I look crazy. I'm in the bathroom trying to hide from my kids because I try to film this several times on my laptop, and my laptop's not recording very well or doing something weird, and my kids are like playing and laughing and giggling and stuff. So I wanted to come on here and say I did not film an intro for this video because I was just batching a whole bunch of videos and I didn't know how they were going to be put into one video or into separate videos. So with that being said, welcome to this video where we make or alter a blue jean dress that I had in my closet. My mom gave it to me and it fit me when I was like 189 pounds, but now that I've lost weight, it's very unflattering and very big and long, and so we're gonna fix that up. And I also want to say, you know, I hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving, and I feel like it might seem like I'm rushing this video, but I'm trying to get this done so me and my kids can decorate today. And I will not be filming that because I don't show my kids on this channel, but I might film and like show years down the road of, you know, memories like this. Who knows? But for right now, I'm trying to edit this video before the evening, and this evening me and the kids are going to have like soup or something and decorate the house for Christmas, and we're gonna have a blast. So I hope y'all are doing the same, and I hope y'all have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you this Saturday where I keep saying I'm gonna post this holiday outfit that I made, but I think I'll post that later. But I have a bunch of odd and end videos that I would like to show before the year ends, and I think they would be great gift type videos, but they're very, very, very niche. So I don't know, but make sure you like and subscribe, especially if you want to see more. And I hope y'all like this video, and I hope this helps some of y'all out to alter a blue jean dress that maybe y'all have, who knows. So enjoy the rest of the video. But this is another thing that I want to do, and it's this dress. So this dress is really big, super frumpy, and I want to make it into a tight little mini dress. So let's go ahead, try it on, and see what it looks like. So it's got cute little pockets. And I want to say it fits for the most part. It's just, I don't know. There's just something about it. I kind of like, I want to make it a little bit shorter. And let's just shorten it, and then, well, fine. Let me just, because it's always best to just do it while you have it on. Okay, so I'm going to pin it. To be honest, it's more of the back part. I think being that short would be good for now. Alright, so the rest of this is going to be short, but for now, that's what I got pinned, and let's see what we got. Okay, so I changed my needle to some jeans, and then, or a jean needle, and then this, I believe, is like it's a heavy duty thread. So it will hold tight with these jeans. And I got some denim at the bottom. Alright. And I'm gonna go from an inch from where I pinned it. You could tell there's like a little bit of a corner right here, so I'm gonna go from that corner down. And we're just gonna do a straight stitch. Got to pop that on. That did. There was no bobbin in that the whole time. We are going to just, I did like a tack down stitch. I didn't do the rest of this, but we're going to do a little tack down stitch, and I'm going to cut the rest off just to see where we're at. press to make me fit, or to fit me better. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, I think it looks a lot cuter. Okay, let's hem it. All right, here, let me back up, is the final look. I think it looks cute. Back here, I think it could be a little tighter, but I don't want it to be too tight because if I bend down, also I don't want it to be too short because if I bend down, but I think it's cute. I think for the summer it would be cute.
At the beach, and it will be cute at the beach too.
Oh, at the beach? Are we going to the beach or something?
Yeah.
Oh, and of course there's a sun glare. Shoes, or any kind of shoes, to be honest. So maybe I made it a little short, but it's fine. If I wear it, it'll be summer. Like my butt's way up here, so there's like, I think it's cute with the shirt too. Like I would wear it like this. Although my shirt's bunching up underneath. But I do have shorts underneath, but here we go. I love it. You like it?
Yeah.
Is it cute on mommy?
Yeah. Let's play this song later.
Oh, you're gonna play the song for me? Thank you. So, there we go. Okay, so with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't really very in-depth. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this goes out before Thanksgiving. If not, I hope it fits for the holidays. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing next because I'm filming a bunch of videos today. So you probably won't see these videos until like a week apart. So I'll see you in the next one. You wanna say bye, Ellie?
Bye.